If you have been struggling to get supplier phone number on 1688, or you have been finding it difficult to get a manufacturer direct contact on 1688, consider to watch this video from the beginning to the end, because I'm going to show you step by step you need to follow and see how you get direct contact of any manufacturer or supplier on 1688 using 1688 app. Okay, well, before we dive deep into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm a procurement agent, importer, and importation coach. If you want to contact me for importation business, you can contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how you get direct contact of any factory or manufacturer or supplier on 1688 using 1688 app. So let's begin. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure you open up your 1688 app like this and make sure you have successfully logged in into your 1688 app. This is very much important. So once you have successfully logged in into your 1688 app, the next thing you want to do is to pick on any product of your choice. For instance, I want this supplier contact direct. So what you need to do is to click on the product link right here. Having clicked on the product link, it's open up into a new page. So the next thing you want to do is to click on the product link like this. Then it's going to take you to the main sales page of the supplier. Now we want to get this supplier contact direct. So for you to get those contacts, you have to click on here. Then it open up to this page. The last step you have to take is to click on here. So having clicked on that, you'll be able to see their phone number. So you can add this number up on WeChat or on WhatsApp. So this is what I have for you as far as the step-by-step on how you can get direct contact of any manufacturer from 1688 step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you like this video, give this video a big like. And don't forget to share this video for your loved one. And finally, if you want to contact me for importation business, remember to contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tutorials about importation business like this. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.